Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Day 1. Color. So in this video, I will show you some things you can do with color on Procreate, like the color wheel and color drop. So let's start. So on the color wheel, there are lots of different types. Like this is the disc. You can choose any color. On the classic, you can see it's same like the disc, but just a square. This is harmony. It's like disc, but it's just like light and dark. Now, on value, this is just the same thing, but you can this is another way to change your colors. So the last one on palette, you can make your own colors, and also from pictures. Example, I'm choosing this Among Us one, so it will take all the colors out. Now on color drop, you don't need to color all of it. You can just drop the color. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.